Thank you, Global CEOs Forum, for having me here. It's not an honor, rather a privilege to be part of 45 under 45 program, which enable myself as many of y'all to enhance what we are doing now and to share some of the best what we do in our careers, in our workplace and in our lives with others. Especially the opportunity we got to visit Toyota Lanka, Mahagedara, to see how global organizations work and what Sri Lankan organizations, part of a global corporation, add values to local businesses as well as to global organizations. We all got great exposure walking around the facility, exposing ourselves to so many new things, new way of doing things. Especially I would like to mention our visit to Toyota Lanka, Mahagedara, the field visit, which we got so much of experience and exposure towards some of the global best practices as well as some of the local value additions to a global brand. I think every one of us had a wonderful time with the hospitality of Toyota Lanka and how they do things differently compared to most of the companies in Sri Lanka and even internationally. And I would like to thank Toyota Lanka team as well as Global CEOs team for giving this opportunity, and hope this exposure will add value to our organizations as well as rest of the community to do something better. Thank you.
Global CEO Magazine. Global CEO Magazine, inspiring excellence.